Hi, Mike Collinson here with the 7th episode of this series. Now that all the concrete's in, it's time to start setting out for the block work. Here you can see I've set a line in line with the existing building out to the end of the profile, and from that I can set out, measure out the distance for the walls, both for the cavity inside and outside. The wall construction is a 100mm dense concrete block, inner and outer skins beneath ground level, with a 100mm cavity. This is to allow for 50mm of insulation and still leaving it 50mm cavity when it's finished. The blocks are pretty heavy and dense and not easy to cut. So as I said before, it pays to spend some time sorting out the levels. Here you can see I've got 2 courses high, which exactly comes to the level of the damp course. Otherwise I'd end up cutting some of the bricks. I'd either have to cut them with a hammer and bolster or a disc cutter, but both is quite hard work. Here you can see on the outer skin of the long wall, I've laid the blocks on the flat to in effect give a double width to retain the soil of the path that's above it. As the path rises, the ground at the other end is maybe up to 2 or 3 foot higher than the ground level on the inside. So it has to be held back. Well, I hope this video has been useful for somebody, and if you have enjoyed it, please take a moment and give us a thumbs up. And if you hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon, you'll get future updates as and when I produce the rest of the videos for the build. Thanks for that. Thanks for everything, and see you all again. Bye bye.